This is Ruby Falls coming to you with another segment of Ruby's Restaurant Reviews, where we are about to find out if this restaurant is rubbish or wonderful. Let's go have a look.
Hi y'all, and welcome to KETHC, located on the New Madrid Fault Line. My name's Adele and I'll be your waitress today. Be sure to browse our menu selection and don't hesitate to ask me any questions about it. Oh, and my personal favorite is the Tectonic Plate Special, served with a Kramer side salad. I'll be back in a few minutes now to see if y'all are ready to order.
Falls from WKET News, and we have just experienced a confirmed 6.0 magnitude earthquake here at East Tennessee. And as you can see behind me, the devastation is immense, where this building has literally collapsed in on itself. Hospitals, healthcare community, be ready. The influx of patients from this disaster is going to be immense. We are going to stay on top of it and bring you the latest breaking news. From WKET News in Sevierville, this is Ruby Falls.